Ever wondered whether a certain finger has already been registered on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let's quickly check it. No guessing needed. To begin, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Security and Privacy. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Screen Lock and Biometric. Enter your current screen lock to continue. Under Biometric section, tap Fingerprints. Now, tap Check Added Fingerprints. Place the finger you want to check on the fingerprint scanner. If the fingerprint has already been added, it will show the name of that fingerprint. If it hasn't, your phone will say fingerprint doesn't match. Once you are done checking, tap Done to exit. Given to the function, this is really useful to avoid adding the same fingerprint twice or just to double check your registered one. It's quick, simple, and smart. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.